To a completely different video. This time this is going to be on this gaming computer I have for sale. It is currently on eBay. I'll tell you the price right at the end. I'll give you the link in the description to buy this. I'll give you an overview right now. I should better unplug that. I'm going to go inside it anyway. Right, I've already taken the thumb screws out of the case, so I might chatter around a bit. Alright, so let's start off. This game PC now I've had for about 3 months, maybe, if that, and it's been a good computer. You know, I've played Battlefield, Grand Theft Auto 4, Call of Duty Ghosts, Advanced Warfare, all of those types of games, you know, all those MMOs and RPGs on this computer, and they seem to be running pretty good on high settings as well. So this is probably, with this computer anyway, you're gonna get the most bang for your buck, just because, you know, it's so just well built, really. Try to build it as professional as I can. It's pretty loud, I guess, but it isn't exactly like a fucking fighter jet coming on your street. So yeah, it's okay. So this computer is, like I said, 3 months old, from brand new. It's a bit dusty right now, but it will be cleaned. Yeah, as I said, I've taken the thumb screws out. They are right there. Excuse all the minor stuff in the background, guys. Right, let's start off with the case, I guess, is it? This is a CIT Mars Red case with a side panel and front red LED display. Let's start off with the fans of this case. This case has one red LED in the front there, LED fan in the front. Like I said, LED display. Let's open this up. 2 optical drives up there, label flash and light scribe. Got the AMD sticker right there. Power reset. There's the buttons for the, I don't know if you can see that, but there's the buttons for the LED control. Not that you're going to use them, but still. This fan right up here, right up front, is a, oh shit, sorry for the glare. Is a red LED, fan. I think it's a 80mm. I'm not sure. I think it's 80mm. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for the outside. Oh, actually, the back power pack sits at the top, or power supply. You got your PS2 switches for your switches. What am I on about? PS2 ports. You got 8 USB ports in total. 6 of them is USB 2.0. 2 of them is USB 3.0. You got your Ethernet cable port, I guess, for they, and you got your audio jacks and surround sound. Then you got your video card, VGA, HDMI. You know, everything is. It's a double slotted card, and you have your sound card with, again, surround sound and your audio jacks. Now let's take the side off this computer, I should say, and unplug the Molex cable for the side. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's get down to this thing. Power pack is an Alpha Power 1050 watt, just because for any upgrades, you know, as this computer might be updated, or, you know, upgraded then, I should say. 2 optical drives, as I said, label flash and light scribe. Light scribe, I believe, is the silver one, which is this one, and then label flash is the black one right up top. Everything in this computer is SATA. All drives in this computer is SATA. This motherboard itself is a ASRock 970 Pro 3, the Pro series. It has 4 DDR3 DIMM slots, supporting a total of 32 gigs. It is the 970 chipset, as I said. I'm not sure. I think it has, yes, this 2 PCI Express 2.0 slots, and then you got the other ones. Forgot what they're called. Yeah, this is a Western Digital Black SATA 1 terabyte hard drive with Windows and Microsoft Office 2013 pre-installed, and all necessary drivers are pre-installed, and antivirus. I took that upon myself to install those. Yeah, like I said, everything's SATA with, they go in there, and, you know, there they are, right connected to the board. The CPU on this board is a socket AM3 Plus AMD FX 6300 or 67300, whatever you want to call it, or 6300 even. 6 core, 6 thread processor running at 3.10 gigahertz. Overclockable to 4.0 and over. This is a an 80mm green LED fan, very quiet, made by by the K&M group. Pretty good make. This is a stock CPU cooler, obviously, you know, with the clips and that. I was thinking again I don't know what you call it, a market one, but stock market one, but there's no need. Does the job anyway, you know. Processor max is about 40 degrees. Here's for the memory. There's 3 sticks, 12 gigabytes in total. So this is Kingston. 4 gigabytes, 1600 megahertz. These two Corsair Vengeance Red, 1600 megahertz, 4 gigabytes each. So 8 and 4 is 12. Bit obvious, but yeah. Now this graphics card right here is a GeForce GT640, 2 gigabytes. So you know, it's pretty good. Runs what you need. Sound cards are Creative Sound Blaster 5.1 channel audio. Yeah, this doesn't require a PCI cable from the power supply, just because, you know, it's not one of the top ones, but it's very, very good. What else is there to explain? Let's see. All leads are already connected to the motherboard and secured nicely. These drive bays can be taken out from if you remove the front panel. Not that you're going to do that, but still, why would you want to take those out? All cable is managed behind the motherboard tray, as you can see right up there. It goes through the motherboard tray, down the back of the motherboard tray, and all the necessary cables like the 24-pin and 8-pin connectors come out through this thing right here, and all the rest go around the back down here into there, where they're all connected up, and yeah, where all the SATA cables and Molex cables are all connected up back there, so it gives the neatest look. I don't think there's anything else to do but fire this baby up. Yeah, so let me quickly connect the this. Yeah. Alright, let's see what I can do here with one hand. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Alright, let's get this in there. I know, one sec. I'm back. Done. Right there. As you can see, connected. So you're just gonna, push that back in there. Whatever you want to do with it. You know, stick the wire in. Pull up. Stick the side on. Make sure they're open. Make sure all the things are lined up with each other. Push them on and screw in the thumb screws. That's all is needed. Oops. Give me a few seconds, guys. This is a bit fiddly with one finger. Hand. Whoops. screwing in the top thumb screw now. They ain't perfect. I would recommend tightening these with a screwdriver. Alright, there you go. Just because the case doesn't line up tidy because of the make. Person I bought this off fucking neglected this case. So yeah, alright, there we go. That should be alright. Alright, let's plug in this power lead and let's fire this thing up. Alright, let's knock that on. Alright. Let's go. Alright, this is it with the lights off pretty much. As you can see, red LED fan, green LED fan. There's a red LED fan in the front. I can't remember if I mentioned that or not. The display at the top there. Yeah. I was thinking of putting water cooling in this thing, but yeah, and I decided to sell it. Alright. Now the lights are back on. Time to turn this computer off. Alright, let's see if I can find it. There you go. One thing I did forget to say, this motherboard does support 8-core CPUs, so that's pretty cool. Yep, this is currently on eBay for £450 and £5.50 postage. The reason this is because parts brand new is 650 quid. So yeah, search that yourself. You know what the parts are, I just told you. Go and search that yourself on eBay, find them out. Yeah, and it comes to about £600 to £650. So that's the reason why it's such a bargain for 450. Yeah, so yeah, one thing I didn't mention is there was these random mounting holes at the top here, for like, I don't even know what they are. Like the guy who owned this was like neglecting this case, so I don't even know why they're there, but they're very unnoticeable. Was gonna get some grommets to put in there, but can't find any that fit. Yeah, so not gonna take the back cover off because I just expose all the ugly wiring. So yeah, this is the computer for £450 on eBay. So if you want to buy this computer, go to the link in the description, or send me your best offers on eBay as well, because that's accepted as well. It's got 28 days left now, so get in there. Alright, see ya.